Hello, I'm Dr. Che and you are watching my YouTube channel. In this video, we will talk about conditional sentences. This is video number 1. And as you know, this is advanced English grammar course. And we are at topic number 4. There are more than 27 common grammar topics in my course. So open playlist of my channel and watch complete course in order. Link is given below in the description box. These are very important grammar topics and of daily use, and especially for your writing and speaking. Please subscribe to my channel. Look at the description box for updates and link to my Facebook groups. Like and comment to encourage me. Share with other students to help them, and subscribe to my channel and press bell icon for more videos on vocabulary, grammar, writing, speaking, listening and reading courses. Why conditionals are important? You will see them and undoubtedly are useful. These conditionals are useful in almost every module of exams, English exams, speaking, especially for speaking and writing. Conditional sentences make your sentences complex and of advanced level. They describe the result of a certain condition. There is a condition and they describe result. If clause shows the condition and the main clause shows the result. If this happens, then this will the result. What are the types of conditional sentences? There are 5 types of conditional sentences. Number 1 is zero conditionals, first conditionals, second conditionals, third conditionals and mixed conditionals. Zero conditionals. Zero conditionals are used to talk about general truths, talk about rules, general rules or general laws. These are zero conditionals. About general truths, general rules or general laws. These are real and possible situations. Real and 100% possible situations in which one thing always causes another thing. Let us look at examples. If you heat ice, it melts. It is clear. If you heat ice, it melts. If you heat water to 100 degrees, it boils. This is also clear. So this is first conditional. We can also use when instead of if. When you heat water to 100 degrees, it boils. When you heat ice, it melts. Sentence structure. This is very important in conditional sentences. It is very important which sentence you use in each of these clauses. If in a zero conditional we use if plus present simple, and with other clause, with main clause, we also use present simple. Present simple on both sides. Remember, this is very important. We use present simple on both sides. If you heat water, this is present simple, it melts. This is also present simple. A common error we notice is that many students put will in the second part. If you heat water to 100 degrees, it will boil. If you just imagine in your mind, you think that if you heat and then it will boil. In imagination it looks true, but in grammatically it is wrong. Grammatically it boils. If you heat water to 100 degrees, it boils. This is common error. Next is conditional. First conditional. First conditional are used to talk about future situations. To talk about future situations that are possible. Zero conditional was 100% true, but first conditional is possible but not 100% guaranteed, not 100% true. If it rains tomorrow, I will not go to school. If it rains tomorrow, I will not go to school. This is first conditional. It's possible that tomorrow it rains and then I will not go to school. Okay, let us look at the other examples. If you improve your vocabulary and grammar, you will pass your exam. This is not 100% sure because there are other things that you also need to improve. So there are many chances that you will pass. If you improve your vocabulary and grammar, you will pass your exam. If you send me a message on Facebook, I will reply within 24 hours. This is possible but not 100% true because sometimes I am busy, sometimes I will reply just within a minute, sometimes it will take more time. So this is my Facebook ID, learn with Dr. Che. So you can search if you, and there is a link in description box also. If you don't hurry, you will miss the train. If you don't hurry, you will miss the train. How we make first conditional? We use if plus present simple. If plus present simple tense, and in the main clause we will use future simple will plus first form of verb, infinitive. Will plus first form of verb. If you don't hurry, this is present simple. If you don't hurry, present simple, you will miss the train. You will miss the train. You can see this is the difference. In this part, in zero conditional, there was present simple. In first conditional, there will be future simple. You will miss the train. A common error we see, a common error that we can see in our writing or speaking is we put will on both sides. Remember and remember, we never put will on both sides in any conditional sentence. We never, write it down, we never put will on both sides in a conditional sentence, in any conditional sentence. Let us look. If you will send me a message on Facebook, I will reply within 24 hours. This is wrong, grammatically wrong. Here in this first part, this is first conditional. In first part, we will use present simple. If you send me a message on Facebook, I will reply within 24 hours. Never use will with if clause. Never use will with if clause. Never use will with if clause. Second common error. We use present simple on both sides. We use present simple on both sides. If you don't hurry, you miss the train. This is not 100% true. This is not 100% sure. This is not zero conditional. This is first conditional. So you cannot use present simple on both sides. If you don't hurry, you will miss the train. Remember, we use present simple on both sides only in zero conditional, not in first conditional. There are some words that we can use as alternatives of if. For example, instead of if, we can use as long as soon as, when, or we can say in case. I will send you a text in case I am not available online. Online, no, online, I am not available online. Remove this on. If I am not available online, I will send you a text in case. Instead of repeating if and if, change it with one of these words, in case I am not available. Only for advanced learners, if with if clause we can use present indefinite. This is classical structure with if clause. If for first conditional, we can also use present continuous. We can also use present perfect with if clause. If you have not worked hard, you will not pass the exam. Similarly, we can use future simple, future continuous, future perfect, or on or going to plus infinitive with main clause. With the main clause, second clause. If you call me at 9 a.m., I will be working at the hospital. I instead of I I will work. This is present future simple. We can also use future continuous. I will be working at the hospital. If you only watch 3 videos a day, you will have finished my vocabulary course in 3 days. Okay, now it is future perfect. You will have finished. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Look at the description box. Let's look. sorry Look at the description box for updates and link to my Facebook groups. Like and comment to encourage me. Share with other students to help them, of course, and come and subscribe, press bell icon for more courses. Thank you very much. See you in next video.